Welcome to Raven Tech, your YouTube channel for mastering AI-driven advertising and staying ahead in the tech world. We are going to dive into the latest tech trends and learn how to market your business effectively using free online tools like Google Trends and Google Keyword Planner. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or savvy marketeer, our channel is your gateway to harnessing the power of AI and technology for your business. Discover insider tips and tricks and take your marketing to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe and join the Raven Tech community today. Hello, everyone. Raven Tech here. Today, we're going to learn about Google Trends. I'm going to show you how to get there. I'm going to show you what Google Trends is. Um, I want to go through each category, the home, the explore, the trending now, how to set the country that you're in, or the country that's your target market, how to look for real-time trending topics, those type of things. So in order to get to Google Trends, you have to go to trends.google.com, and let me show you how to do that. That's if you don't know how to use a basic browser, which I'm sure you do. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here, right? Trends.google.com. And it will take you directly to the page that we're currently on, right? And this is where we get started. Right now, I have it set to Uganda, but I want us, if you notice, if we're at the home position, I want us to set it to the United States because I think that's where there is a lot of activity that's going on. Once you set the home country, it says explore what the United States is searching for right now. Now, I want to go across each one of these before we start entering any topics. If I hit explore, it takes us to another window, right? Explore allows us to put in search term, right? Again, you can choose the United States. You can choose the past 12 months. If you want to change that, you can go from the past hour, the past 4 hours, past day, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 5 years, and from 2004 to the present. So that gives you a lot of reference. If you want to see how things are trending over a long period of time, you can use these larger amounts of data, let's say 5 years or 90 days, those type of things. If you want to add a custom time range, you can. You can go from a specific uh, from a specific date to another specific date, or you want to just go for a particular year, you can. If you want to go for the past week, you can choose a specific time, let's say Wednesday, December 20th at 1 o'clock to Tuesday, December 26th at 1 o'clock. And they'll give you all of the data related to your search term. So in categories, right? All categories. You have the option of all categories. You can go to arts and entertainment. Let's say, for instance, you're a musician and you want to know what music is trending. You can look at arts and entertainment and look up, let's say, I don't know, Afrobeat, or I'm a piano, or hip hop, or pop. And it'll give you those trends over the set period of time that you've chosen. You have beauty, fitness, books and literature, business and industry, computer electronics, and the list goes on and on and on. And of course, these are just categories if you're looking for something for overall category. Here in the web search area, you have image search. If you're looking for images of, let's say, a horse playing basketball, you can you can see how many people have searched for that particular image. News search, Google Shopping, and YouTube search. Now, all of these are important depending on what type of platform you're operating. If, say, you're operating a YouTube channel, well, obviously YouTube search will be important. And I would suggest also looking at um, maybe Google Shopping also, but mainly YouTube search will be your best bet. If you have an, let's say, an online e-commerce uh, platform, well, Google Shopping, it will show you what people are looking for, what type of trends, those type of things. And of course, the web search. Now, the web search is the general category. And again, I think that applies to everything. So let's say if you have a sports channel on YouTube, you still may want to look at what web searches are related to sports. You could just say web search and you could say sports related and it'll pop up that information. Let's dive into trending now, which is the next category over. Trending now gives us daily search trends. Right now, we have the Chiefs fall to the Raiders 20-14 on Christmas Day. The Eagles, right? A game recap. The Miami Dolphins. Tommy DeVito, and The Color Purple, the new movie that looks like it. The premiere was sold out in showings in Harlem. So this tells you the current trends. And why is this important? Because these trends, you can look at these trends and it'll even give you some of the search parameters here. Over 1 million people were searching for the Chiefs fall to the Raiders. For The Color Purple, over 200,000. These actually give you ideas of content that you can include in on your YouTube channel, on your website, on your podcast, what have you. Real-time search trends, right? Those are daily search trends. These are real-time search trends within the past 24 hours. Obviously, you'll see again, World Boxing Organization, San Francisco 49ers and Baltimore Ravens, South Africa's national cricket team. I mean, the list goes on. And as you can see the over the past 24 hours, the graph showing the trend. Like the San Francisco 49ers and Baltimore Ravens, it peaked and dropped off within the past 24 hours. The South African national cricket team, how it peaked and is still peaking. So, and you can scroll down and you can see. Now, at any given time, you can also change the country that you want to search it. So all of this is relevant. All of this is important. So let's go back to home, right? Why am I showing you this? Because now I want us to explore, right? Actually, let's go to explore. So if I'm in explore, it says add a search item, right? And I want to change this from, let's say, the past hour. And I want to see what's going on with OpenAI. Now, as you can see this, it says there's no rise in queries. So let's go back a little further. Let's say 7 days, right? Still nothing. Well, let's say OpenAI. Let's see if it comes up with anything. And yes, it does. And as you can see, it's giving you a graph. It's showing you the graph, and it looks like it's projecting to go up. It's still, if you look at the graph, it's kind of trending, slowly trending down. Now, a lot of you may have this question: what does 100 mean? 100 means the highest peak in that range. In that particular case, this is the highest peak, right? And if you mouse over it, it's going to tell you when that peak took place, which happened on December 20th, 2023 at 6 p.m. That means that's the highest peak of that search trend. Everything else, and just think of it as a percentage, that's 100% of the peak. And everything else is a percentage of that peak. So if we looked at California, it means it has 52% of that 100%. So if I was marketing to somebody who was, let's say I had a channel about artificial intelligence, which by the way I do, and I wanted to market to somebody, I would probably look at the District of Columbia and focus my marketing in that area. And we're going to go over that in the next few videos about how to market your stuff using Google Ads. And as you can see, it's going down, it's trending down. As I mouse over it, it's showing you the dates. And as you can see, it's projected to go up today at 1 p.m., right? It's showing that it's trending upwards, right? Now, if I wanted to see, let's scroll down. Let's keep going. Related topics, right? Sushi AI, right? Sushi restaurant in Manchester, looks like Mississippi, right? AI death calculator, another breakout topic. What does that mean? Breakout topic usually means, it's 5,000%. I think I said 1,000% in the previous video, but it's 5,000% over the 100. If you look at, for instance, the Beastie Boys are trending. I have no reason. I don't know why I like the Beastie Boys, but I don't know why. It's 1,800% above that 100%. AI chatbot, writing assistance software, right? 900%. Whisper software, 250%. Artificial intelligence art, 60% above that 100% peak of for OpenAI. So these are related topics. These are topics that you can include as part of your content, for your website, for your podcast, for your YouTube channel, for whatever, right? So this is a basically an introduction. This is basically an introduction to uh, sorry with my phone, a basic introduction to uh, Google Trends. In later videos, we're going to look at how to compare, how we can go from, we can look at one particular trend as opposed to another and determine which one is best. I hope this was helpful. Please remember to click that like button and also subscribe if you want to hear any more updates from Raven Tech. And I hope you have a blessed, happy, and wonderful day or evening, wherever you may be. Thank you.